Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming basics, a working camera or a saved QR image and permission to use files. Once done, open a reputable online QR reader or your native camera app and choose the upload or scan option. Make sure the QR fills most of the preview frame and remove reflections. This speeds decoding. You should see a live preview or file selection dialog. If you're using a screenshot, choose the file upload and select the exact image you captured. You now execute the core step. If uploading, click the Upload button, pick the screenshot or image, crop tightly to remove extra background, then press Decode. If using live camera, center the QR and hold steady for 2 to 3 seconds while autofocus locks. You'll see a detection highlight. Once the reader returns text or a URL, pause and read the preview. Do not automatically follow links. Inspect the decoded content and decide whether to copy, open, or save it. Finish by reviewing the decoded output. You can copy text to the clipboard, save it to notes, or tap a displayed URL. Make sure the domain matches expectations before opening. For contact or vCard data, use the export option to add to your address book. If you need a record, screenshot the decoded result. If something goes wrong, try one key fix. Increase image contrast and crop tightly to the QR area. Then re-upload or switch to a different online reader to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.